Hi guys, what's up? We got a great question from one of you guys asking, am I using minoxidil? What is minoxidil? Minoxidil is a topical solution of foam that helps to grow hairs and slow down hair loss. It is FDA approved and this is widely used. Minoxidil can improve blood flow into your hair follicles, which in return encourages your hair to grow fuller, thicker, and longer. If you use it at the early stage of your hair loss, you can always go about stopping your hair loss and go about regrowing your hair backwards. So it is pretty popular among people and it's pretty much easy to use. It is cheaper. You can get it in Florida, in New York, California, in Philadelphia without having to show prescription. In certain part of Asia, you can go about purchasing. If you are in England, London, or maybe Manchester, Birmingham, Stoke-on-Trent, you can go acquire yours, right? So if you are in Paris, same goes, Bordeaux, France, Toulouse, you can always acquire, minoxidil for your own sake. Before you use the minoxidil, always go about, properly, cleaning your scalp first and dry your scalp, apply the minoxidil onto your scalp. Always go about applying twice in a day. Do not go about applying one time today and then go about applying 3 times tomorrow. Just try to compensate because you didn't apply twice yesterday. Always make sure to stay consistent and persistent. Keep on doing it, twice in a day, every day, up to 3 months. From 3 months, you're gonna start seeing results. Let's say you go about starting applying from 7 a.m. in the morning, 7 p.m. in the evenings. You gotta keep it up. You're not gonna have to stop, right? You gotta be patient and consistent for your to go about getting the results, right? So when are you gonna be starting seeing results? So after 3 months, for some people, they start seeing the results. After 4 months, some people. After 5 months, some people after 7 months. If their case is severe, because it takes time to be boosting the blood flow in those areas where you don't normally usually grow hairs. So when the blood flow is being enhanced in those places, that's when the nutrition that you're gonna be consuming every day gonna be going through your hair follicles, and then you're gonna be growing hairs. And that's why it works. If you go about up to 6 months without seeing any results, that means there's something wrong with you. Maybe you use the fake minoxidil, or maybe your hair loss is too severe. So minoxidil can't save you. So sorry. Minoxidil is for people who have been suffering from hair loss and want to regrow their hair back. So it is not meant for pregnant people. If you're having hypertension or you're having high blood pressure, do not go about taking minoxidil. Minoxidil is not a magic, right? It comes with some side effects. Dryness of scalp, scalp irritation, itchiness of your scalp, and in some women growing unwanted hair on their faces. It is always important to follow the instruction and then to go about using the right amount that you need to go about taking daily, right? How about when you stop using minoxidil? And that's another question again. If you go about applying minoxidil on your hairs, every day, 7 a.m. in the morning, 7 p.m. in the evening, up to 1 year, and then you go about fully growing your hair, you're happy, your life. When you stop using minoxidil after 1 year of use of minoxidil, you're gonna start losing your hairs after 3 months. Some people again, after 6 months, maybe 7 months, they lose all their hairs. They go back again to square zero. And that means the minoxidil works, but the results are not sustainable, right? So, and another factor I would like to underline is that it works, but it has certain limits which you can reach, right? So let's say you go about applying continuously, 1 year, and then after 1 year, you continue again applying, you're not seeing any improvement anymore because that's the reach, Even if you go about applying 4 times a day, your hair is no longer gonna be growing, right? So because that's just the limit. That's just how minoxidil works. As for me, I don't use minoxidil, but I kind of respect the way it works for people across the world. If you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. Ask me a question, I'll be able to give you an answer. And see you in the next one.